are back again to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, give it a like if you love the video already. So yeah, today we are going through my everyday carry. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so today I have this backpack. Really don't know the name, but then look at this here. Yeah, it has a small hinge here. You open it, you see something like this here, something small here. You can, put some pencils there, and it's got some hinge, something here. When you put your laptop inside, you just close it that way, and then you have this secret thing here where you can just put your stuff there. Okay, so I think that's all for the backpack. Yeah. All right, so next one is this, which for the backpack I think I'll get a footage going through so you'll see how it really looks like. So this, which is a 4G device, is for internet service. Maybe at places where you don't have Wi-Fi around, you can just insert a SIM card in it, get a bundle on it, and then you go straight into the internet with this device, this small tiny device in your pocket. Get it? I don't go without this, glasses. Okay, so I put this on when I feel like I'll be shy with talking to someone or something, but then they see me though, but I just feel like this is a protective cover, something like this. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, you can go check it out. It's some transparent. Cool, it's cool. Okay, so for the earpiece I use, I still keep to the Apple earpiece. Let me say it that way. So yeah, I still keep to this lightning cable earpiece, which I still use for my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I can show you the phone because that is what I'm using to record, so I guess some footage is going around so you can see what the phone actually looks like. Something like this. So back to the video. I've got this watch. Most of the times I wear this, and look how it looks like. Has this leather grip on it, stainless steel feel on it. Feels supreme, feels expensive. It's not expensive though, but like it feels that way. Yeah, that's how it looks like. All right, so yeah. And then for my storage device, this is what I used to store a lot of my storage. It's a 1 terabyte Seagate external hard disk, which I use for storing a lot of my data, my documents and all. So yeah, y'all can go check it out. I've got another watch here. This watch is from Adidas. You can see it. It's from Adidas. Yeah, it looks super cool. It feels like it has the Rolex feel. So I like it. So and I have this small tiny device here. Not a tech device though, but it's just cool nail cutter. Yeah, take it along. It's just in my bag. Don't normally use it, but yeah, it might be of some essence sometime in a day. You never know. Alright, so this is my wallet, my go-to wallet. It's got this feel to it. You get it? Yeah. Leather. It's cool. I don't know what's the name. This is the name. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that's how it looks like. It's cool. It has a lot of size to it where you can keep your stuff. You can keep some money, hide some money from people. Yeah, so that's how it is. The ultimate one is my laptop. This is my laptop. Yeah, it's an HP laptop. I think an i7 Nvidia GeForce. So that's what I use for a lot of my products, my productivity. Yeah. Not much to talk about this PC, but you know, it's got some fingerprint here. It's got fingerprint. And then you have this Core i7. Everything is on point. It has an HDMI cord, a LAN, an HDMI port, a LAN port here. You have USB Type C here. You have the normal USB 2 ports there, and then the power port. Yeah. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, this is my everyday carry 2021. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and then yeah, wait for more. Thank you and bye bye.